So ours is great because it really is like this little mini convection oven sitting on your counter, right? So many things that you can just pop in this thing. It's family sized for one, which I love. It took me a long time to finally actually purchase an air. Actually, we didn't even purchase an air fryer. We were holding out, really hoping Pampered Chef would come out with one. So all my friends had air fryers, and I was holding out, and we finally came out with ours. But I've seen the other ones, use the other ones at other people's houses. The ones with the drawers, just not my favorite. I love this because it can do so many more things. Ours has a air fry setting, bake setting, roast setting, rotisserie, which I forgot to grab that rotisserie thing out, and I'm going to yell at my husband to go grab that out of the cabinet for me so I can show you. It's up in that top cabinet. The rotisserie function is fire, you guys. You can put a whole chicken in our rotisserie on the rod that sticks inside, a whole chicken. So if you buy, I know our local grocery store does the whole chickens that you can run in and buy for, can't even think of the price of them right now, but you can do that even better yourself. And you can watch it just rolling. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. A pineapple. You can do a whole pineapple in here, put some brown sugar and cinnamon on it, and rotisserie that. I don't know, is that a word? Rotisserie? It is tonight. Rotisserie. Um, you can make fruit leathers in here, you guys. There is a dehydrator function, and we have some fruit leather trays. So I know fruit roll-ups, my kids are grown now, but I know my son went through fruit roll-ups like it was his job. And I wish I could have made my own because those things are expensive, right? So you can also, of course, reheat your food in here, all kinds of things. Think about the kids running through the door after school. I wish I would have had this when my kids were little because they could have easily popped in some chicken nuggets or some um French fries or a quick toasted sandwich, anything like that. It's really easy to throw in here. My son, when he went to college, he needed two things from mom. Well, he needed a lot of things. My kids grew up with Pampered Chef, so they wanted all the tools when they went to cook, right? But he demanded a air fryer, and mama got him an air fryer to take to college. And all the kids came to eat at my son's house because he had best food. So, anyways,